Okay, today we are going to use the new tool to test FEM module, and we are going to add a new key. Okay, here's the working key, and here is the FEM module, and here's the emulator cable, and here's the 8-pin chip reader. Okay, and here's our new tool. This is a new tool, and you don't need to do soldering. You just follow the instruction on the cell phone and you can add a key. Okay, now we are going to do it step by step. Okay, firstly you go to BMW module, you select FEM. Okay, select FEM. Okay, add key. Okay, now it's reading the 8-pin chip. So it's working, the light is on. It will take about 15 minutes to finish. Now we read the FEM info, you can check it. Okay, you have all the informations here. Okay. Checking FEM version info. Okay. Is reading coding info. The file is safe. Okay, one moment. So the file is backup in here in your cell phone, so you can check it in your cell phone. Okay, you can see the file is backup in the folder. Now downloading the file. You can see it's running very fast. Okay, it's writing back the information into the 8-pin chip. Actually, it will only take about 10 minutes to finish this step. Okay. Okay, let's check. Okay. That's okay. You just follow the screen and then you can add a key. It's very easy. You don't need to do anything. Just follow the screen. File is back up here. Okay, successful. So we are already finished the reading the 8-pin chip. Now we are going to add key. program a key right now. Okay, this is okay. Now we are going to add one key. So program a key. And now it's reading information. Okay, make sure you have a working key and a brand new key. Okay. So checking the FEM. Okay, put the working key close to the antenna. Okay. Now here's the working key. You put it to the antenna here. You can see. Okay. Put it here. And now click OK. Now it's reading a key info on the working key. So yeah, it's the information. Press OK. Okay. Now we choose one channel. Okay, for example, key 10. Okay, learn the new key. Okay, now we put a new key. Okay, put a new key to the antenna. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We put a new key to the antenna. Emergency. And then press OK. Now running key. Okay, program ignition key success. Okay, here you can see number 10. The ID is here, so the key is programmed successfully. Okay, resist. Okay, the file's backup. Okay. Okay, now it's done.